This is going to be my first time doing a water change with the shrimp in the tank. And I was wondering, how long do I need to let the dechlorinator sit in the water? And so I Googled it, and it says you can let the water sit for about 2 to 5 minutes, so that way it can process through. But it's not too concerning where you need to leave it for a couple of minutes, as far as more than like 20 or 30 minutes or even an hour. If you do not have dechlorinator and you want to do a water change in your tank, you can let water sit in a bucket for about 2 to 5 days to make sure that all the chlorine has evaporated from that water. Another thing that I was concerned about, does the water temperature have to be the same as the tank water temperature? And to answer that is no. You don't need to worry about that. So we're gonna find out today. I haven't seen my shrimp as active over the past couple days. I've been seeing them here and there, especially like the red and the black one, but I have no idea where the green one is. Yeah, I haven't seen the green one, and I'm wondering if they're hiding inside. The growth of the pearl weed is higher than it was a week ago, at least on this side. And now I have added a feeder in here for the shrimp. And the reason why I did this is so that way the food is not sitting. Oh man. Okay, that's what I didn't want to happen. Frick. All right, I'm just gonna dump this. Ew. Well, that sucks. Hopefully I can suck it up. But I am seeing a little bit of algae growing here in the tank. So we're gonna do that with the water change today. I'm gonna be using my siphon. Put it inside here. And I pump it. Hopefully I can grab all that food. Yeah, come. Ugh. What happened? There we go. Okay. Some of the fluval got sucked up in here, but nothing too concerning. I'm gonna wash this with the hose. So, I see 2 of the red. I saw the green one, and I have not seen the black one as of today. But I did see it yesterday. There's the green one. All right, so I have some Java fern in here that I purchased around the same time that I got the shrimp. And so I want to split this in 2, and then I want to sit it towards the back of the tank. So, okay, so I'm just gonna split this here. Okay, perfect. All right, now we have 2 Java fern plants, and we're gonna just stick this in the tank and hope and pray for the best. Oh, there's a little black one. Okay, makes me happy to see that they're still all with us. So now I'm hoping that this Java fern on this side grows more, and this one also starts pushing out new leaves. So now we can transfer the water in here. Next step, I just take a 1-gallon jug, fill this up. Okay. And then, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna take this plastic baggie, I'm gonna sit it on top, and then we're gonna pour in very slowly. All right, 1 down. The water's looking better already. I'm gonna repeat this process. And now it's all done. Tank definitely looks cleaner. The shrimp look happy, and no casualties as of right now. So this is a good sign. The only thing is with the feeder now, I'm just concerned about the food. Maybe I should drop a smaller pellet in here. Let me go clean this out as well. At the bottom of the tank in order to feed off of it, because they're bottom feeders, you know? So I think we'll just have to put it here. Let me see. I might try this one more time and see if they'll eat it. But I'm gonna break a little piece off and drop it. All right, then